Who's cool as ice? The freezing Pokemon beartic, that's who! Anyways, that's who will be drawn today. The freezing Pokemon beartic. He's an ice type. Beartic live far up north, where the seas are very cold. Their fangs and claws are made of ice, formed by their own freezing breath. That's odd, because they don't look like they're made out of ice. Anyways, let's get started on drawing him. Anyways, make sure to draw his eye. His eye is really kind of small, actually. You can pause and look at the video, look at this if you want. Anyways, next up, you just gotta draw his ear. And next up, here's his lump on his head. Alexa, play Blizzard.
Here's Blizzard from Dragon Ball Super Broly by We.B on Amazon Music.
Okay, when drawing him, you must draw his mouth here. Okay. Next up is his ice-like beard.
The morning suffocating me. Its touch is below freezing. The air is still too thin to breathe, and yet the ice is melting. What I've learned tonight, stuck within this frozen abyss. You will never see the light till you take that breath and find that true happiness. Buried deep within the ice all around my body. The shell around my beating heart starts to melt within me. The heat inside my very spirit starts to burn its way through. And soon I realize just what I have to do. Rise above the heights you are trapped below. Show the world there's more left of you to know. You gotta find the strength to start.
There's his arm here. Okay, next up is his claw. And if you must know, Beartic was seen in a couple of movies with the with the Ice-type gym leader. Its attacks are Sheer Cold, Thrash, Superpower, Aqua Jet, Growl, Snow Powder, Bide, Icy Wind, Play Nice, Fury Swipes, Brine, Endure, Swagger, Slash, Flail, Icicle Crash, Rest, Blizzard, and Hail. Don't forget about Aerial Ace. You can't forget about that. And, next up, here's his... There we go. Anyways, he was seen in Way of the Beartic and the Fist of Ice. Anyways, you see, Silent, he's seen all the Way of the Beartic, Enter the Beartic, movies, like 19 times or 17, whatever comes first. Anyways, last thing, you just gotta draw his feet. Anyways, that's how you draw Beartic. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? Anyways, I Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to tell all your friends that I just did this video. And I'll see you guys again soon. So, have a nice season. Have fun, folks.